Okay, y'all, let's go check out the backyard. I showed y'all the before. Here's the after. Everything thrown around. Where's the trampoline that was right there? It is in the tree. Right there. Knock the fence down. That's a part of somebody's roof. Boys basketball goal. Good refrigerator. I was giving it away. So right over there in the neighbor's yard, right there, there was a playhouse for children. You want to know where it is? Right there. It's on top of the neighbor's house. The fence that was here is now here. This is my backyard. This is a brand new day from the last tornado. We're gonna have to replace that again. Stuff all over the yard. It's the back of my house. This part is crazy. And look at the trampoline, y'all. That's two of them. Trampoline is in the tree. Cam, here's your trampoline. Swinging in the tree. Alright, y'all. So y'all saw the before picture of my backyard after the tornado. And now I'm going to show y'all the finished product that me and my son did together today. So here's the porch, the backyard porch. I have my two chairs. I have my table inside. We cut Kareem cut the grass. Nicely cut. This is where the trampoline was. It's no longer in the tree. One of my other sons helped my neighbor take the trampoline out of the tree. And here's this side. And here's the stuff that I'm getting rid of. Oh, my back hurt. So yeah, y'all. That's the finished product. That's the neighbor's fence. I guess they gonna get that fixed.